G'day viewers, well, my old faithful, reliable American made whirlpool decided to want to trip the RCD all of a sudden. Now I've got it going again. So what I've just basically done, okay, I've suspected the defroster that was a culprit. Typically they go to a bit of moisture gets in them when they trip, but nope. I've just went through the whole process of elimination, disconnected the compressor, it passed insulation test fine, isolated just a fan, that passed insulation test, resistance test fine, and I've started going in here. All these components, the fan, the little sensor here, all passed fine. But what's going on here? Took all this out here, all the components in there passed fine. The wiring between here and yeah, that all passed fine, but the wiring, when I unplug that socket there, I'm going to put a lead on that socket there and disconnected all this, and here this wiring loom had a bit of a fault to earth. So what's going on there? I've never before come across a fault like that. Anyway, I let it it was completely dry, no moisture in it either that I could see. Let it sit for a couple of days with the doors open, put it back together and tested it. Now it's running fine. I've repaired an ice maker fridge I scored. I got a new circuit board for it. It's a nice LG resting house from the same era as this 2004. Korean made, nice fridge. That replaced this one. I'm going to plumb it in for some water. So I've got ice and water now. But this is a damn good fridge. I'm going to run some insulation over this pipe, because this does sweat and makes a mess on the floor. I'm going to put some insulation over that, sleeve it, clean all this all out nice and clean, and I'm going to clean the inside of it up like I did last time and put it back together. I just got it all apart so it's on test. The thermostats here are very unique. They're a slide protection on a style analog old school fridge thermostat as opposed to the rotary ones. Kind of unique. There's light pipes behind that light to light these up, which is a really cool concept. It's a damn good fridge. I've also got to fix up this little bit here which is broken. But yeah, it's a bloody damn good fridge, so definitely worth fixing. But yeah, no faults now. I'm not sure what. Never come across a wiring loom just out of the blue just start tripping, and now it's fine. Bit of moisture must have got in somewhere. I was assuming like a pinhole or something in it, and it's gone between wire and the earth somewhere, but now it's fine. Anyway, this old device hasn't missed a beat. Good old skate Pegasus. There, luckily I got that as a backup fridge because I used it to transition and had to get this fridge out of the kitchen, take the door handles off, and there, tight fit. I'll video the other one I replaced with it later on. It's a nice, still a nice fridge, Korean made, but it's very, very nicely solidly built like this one from the same year. But the circuit board at the top blew up, and I've sourced another one off AliExpress, because that board's actually been discontinued by the manufacturer. But I'll do some order some components off the other board like that, and just buy a heap of those, and we'll have this board repaired as a spare for the other fridge. Anyway, battery's about to run out. Thanks for watching.